Today we visit Cochem on the Mosel in Germany. And at the end of this video, I will tell you my honest opinion whether Cochem is worth visiting or not. So keep watching. Cochem is a small tourist town in western Germany. The medieval character of Cochem makes the city very beautiful. Cochem is therefore very popular with tourists. The historic market square is one of the most famous places in Cochem. The beautiful old medieval streets are very nice to walk through. You have the feeling of being in another time. And everywhere you walk, there are nice shops and restaurants. You won't be bored. Along the way, you will find places everywhere with a beautiful view of the Mosel and the vineyards on the hills around the city. The landscape feels like a fairy tale. If you are in Cochem, you cannot ignore the Reichsburg. Entrance is free, and I would certainly recommend it. Especially for the great views. And now, as promised, my honest opinion about Cochem. Cochem is definitely worth a visit. There is plenty to do and see in Cochem. It really is a perfect day out. I hope you enjoyed this short travel video. Please like or subscribe, or leave a comment.